Good morning everyone. This is Dr. Aarti Jain. Welcome in this Viva series. We have already discussed lots of practical prepare our Viva questions. So in this series today we will discuss about Pensky Marten closed cup apparatus. This is flash and fire point determinator. So first of all you have to learn about the object of this practical. So object of this practical is to determine the flash and fire point of given oil sample by using Pensky Marten closed cup apparatus. So we have already discussed Cleveland open cup apparatus. This is Pensky Marten closed cup apparatus. That means oil cup has a lid and the design of lid is very complicated. So we will discuss lots of questions based on Pensky Marten closed cup apparatus. So first of all, definition of flash and fire point. You should remember the definition of flash and fire point. So it is very important question for the Viva purpose. So definition of flash and fire point you should remember properly. So first of all, flash point. So flash point is the lowest temperature. Flash point is the lowest temperature at which vapors of oil sample we can say gives a flash for a moment when of oil gives a flash. In place of gives a flash, we should add burn. That means the vapors of oil burn at least 5 seconds continuously when a small flame is brought near it. So both definition is very similar, only and only one change we can see. Oil gives a flash for a moment, that means this is flash point, and oil burn at least 5 seconds continuously, this is fire point. So we should learn definition properly. The second thing importance or significance. So we can avoid fire hazards, evaporation loss, and the next is machine can be work properly. Without any accident or any unhappy moments. Works properly. That means when we determine flash and fire point of any oil, after that when we apply on any machine, so machine can work properly without any hazards, without any evaporation loss, without any friction. So this is the importance of flash and fire point. And now we will move on the Pensky Marten closed cup apparatus. So it has a closed cup, that means the cup is closed and a one lid is provided here. So teacher, can we ask how many openings of the lid? How many openings of the lid? What is the design of opening of lid? So 4 openings. So you learn properly 4 opening. One for stirrer, so it has one stirrer. So by this stirrer we can maintain the uniform temperature of the oil. Second, for thermometer, so by the thermometer we can measure temperature of oil, and after that we can determine flash and fire point. So second opening for thermometer. Third opening for air. Fourth opening is for test flame. So test flame is necessary for burning or ignition of the oil vapors. So one opening is also provided in the lid. This is for pilot burner, this is for test flame, and as well as one pilot burner is also provided in this apparatus. When test flame comes in contact with the vapors and sometime it get extinguished. So for again lighted of this test flame, pilot burner is also attached in this apparatus. So by the pilot burner, again test flame and lighted and ready for determination of flash and fire point. So oil cup, the measurement of this oil cup is, it is 5.5 centimeter depth and 5 centimeter is diameter, and this is flange. It is act as a air bath. It has hollow space, and in this space air is filled and it is act as a air bath. And this is lid, and this is lid, and it has 4 openings. First for stirrer, this is stirrer, and this is stirrer, and we can stir oil for uniform heating. Second opening is, this is for thermometer. This is shutter, and it works at lever mechanism. It works in the lever mechanism, and when we move this shutter, so you see 2 openings are opened here. One for air, this is in closed condition, this is in open condition. So this one opening for air, and this opening for test flame. This is test flame. Test flame introduce the vapors of oil, and this is the bend tube. You see, this is pilot burner, and it comes in contact with test flame for lighting, for relight of this test flame. So this is the working of Pensky Martens. Thank you. This next question is, which type of medium we select for heating of oil? So we in this apparatus act as for heating of oil. So uniformly heating and slow heating is necessary, because those oil which have flash and fire point below 220 degree Fahrenheit. So this type of oil can be determined by this apparatus. Above this temperature we use Cleveland open cup apparatus. So slow heating is necessary. So we select air as a medium for slow heating. So why we select air? Because air is poor conductor of heat and electricity. So it help for slow heating of the apparatus. Has a hollow space, and in this hollow space air is filled and act as a air bath. So this one question also arise what is the heating rate. So heating rate should be maintained. Heating rate should be maintained 9 to 11 degree Fahrenheit per minute. So the heating rate should be controlled for getting better result. And one more question: what is the temperature interval we should maintain for applying test flame? So one thing should be remember: at every 2 degree every 2 degree Fahrenheit rise in temperature at every 2 degree Fahrenheit rise in temperature, we should apply test flame over the oil vapor. So we can get a good result by this interval. So these are some important points for expected questions for Viva purpose. So definitely you will give a good Viva for this practical. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and take care.